Uh-oh, Claire. Claire. Claire, look, here's the green one. Look. You better get it, Claire. Hey, Trent, give her one of the blue ones. See if she wants the red one, Trent.
No.
You want a string? Okay. Alright, I tell you what, Claire. How about these?
Yeah, big one, young one.
Claire, can you get it?
No, I don't want this one.
Claire. Trent, we don't have more string. Here, let me get this yellow balloon for Claire. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there it goes. Let's see if it comes down. I can't reach it. Sorry, Claire. You want a different one? Oh, somebody is crazy. What do you want?